Mom sure did like using honey in just about everything.
Not just any honey. Whitmore honey? What is it about Whitmore honey that Mom loves so much? I'm Hannah Jones.
I'm Aaron Whitmore. At the Honey House, we've made premium raw honey for generations. People seem to love it.
What if I help out around the farm while you gave me a crash course in making Whitmore honey?
The truth is, if this season doesn't turn around, I don't know if the Honey House is going to be here next year.
I think I know what you should do. A flavored honey line. You're one amazing honey infused with different spices.
Look, it could be a great story, one that we could maybe tell together.
Simple ingredients, full of heart. People connect with that.
You've been humming around here like a little bee. Does this have something to do with Aaron?
I feel like I found my voice as a chef. And once I see it, I don't think I can unsee it. Because of you, I realized that the type of food I like to make is not about polish or show. It's about love and family, just like Whitmore honey.
Thank you for making life so much sweeter.
Have you ever been in love?